Recognizing these early warning signs can help you keep your banana plants healthy and reduce the spread of disease. This condition is commonly linked to Phyllosticta maculata, a fungal pathogen that affects both leaves and fruit. Typical symptoms may include: one of the most recognizable signs is the development of tiny dark brown to black spots on leaves and fruit. The affected surface often feels rough, similar to fine sandpaper. Small lesions are usually less than 1 millimeter across and may merge into streaks that run diagonally across the leaf or extend from the midrib toward the leaf edge, frequently following the veins. As the disease progresses, larger spots up to 4 millimeters may develop, sometimes with a lighter colored center. Lesions can also appear on petioles, midribs, transitional leaves, and bracts. Young fruit may become infected as early as 2 to 4 weeks after bunch formation, beginning as scattered reddish-brown spots surrounded by a dark green, water-soaked halo. These symptoms are often caused by the fungus Phyllosticta maculata, which can infect banana plants throughout their reproductive cycle. Because it is a wet spore fungus, moisture from rain, dew, or splashing water is essential for spore dispersal. The disease may also spread through infected planting materials and contaminated fruit. The dark spots contain fungal fruiting bodies that release spores. Once conditions are favorable, the spores germinate, producing hyphae that invade plant tissues and create new lesions. Under warm and humid conditions, new infections can develop in as little as 20 days. Many growers choose to begin with natural approaches such as, since infected leaves serve as the main source of spores, removing or managing infected foliage is essential. Wrapping banana bunches after emergence helps reduce spore contamination of developing fruit. Preventive sprays of neem oil 1500 ppm at 5 milliliters per liter of water, combined with a surfactant such as Surf 1G or Sandovit 1 milliliter per liter, can be applied during flowering and at the first signs of infection. If the disease becomes more widespread, additional treatments may include an integrated management approach combining preventive and biological practices is recommended whenever possible. Applying Maneba to leaves and fruit every 2 weeks or monthly throughout the year can help reduce spore production and spread. Other fungicides, including Folpet, chlorothalonil, mancozeb, triazoles, propiconazole, and strobilurin-based products may also be applied every 2 weeks to effectively manage disease development. To help prevent future outbreaks, inspect plants frequently so symptoms can be identified early. Remove and destroy infected plant parts away from the growing area. Plant only in disease-free locations whenever possible. Maintain good sanitation by cleaning tools, using healthy planting materials, and managing soil hygiene to reduce the risk of reinfection. Overall, this disease is characterized by numerous dark brown to black spots on leaves and fruit. These lesions are typically very small, but may enlarge or merge into streaks, and they can also appear on petioles, midribs, transitional leaves, and bracts. Follow the channel for more practical tips on protecting your plants and maintaining a healthy garden.